This video is to show you how you can color code your map based on a date that a valve or a hydrant was last flushed or exercised, or in this case we're going to be doing it based on the year it was last painted. So to do this, come over to our layers, and I'm going to choose my fire hydrants layer, and then under the settings tab we first want to make sure that the symbol that we're using can be color coded. Color codable symbols are these vector symbols here. Ones that cannot be affected by color coding are ones like these raster symbols down here. So now that I've made sure that I'm using a vector symbol, next to my fill color, I want to choose the classify button. Now I want to select the field I want it to color code by. So in this case I'm going to be doing the date painted field. And click OK. Because this date painted field here is a date specific field, Diamond Maps knows to use a special classification rule for it. So this special classification rule allows date type fields and features will be color coded according to how many years have elapsed since the dates indicated in this field. You will be able to modify the range of years assigned to each color group, and I'll show you that now. So as you can see, it's now based on date painted, but because Diamond Maps by standard goes in increments of 5 years, all of my points here are blue because they were all painted within the last 5 years. So I'm going to show you how to change that. So here next to the fill color, now it says based on date painted. We click this, and here we can change what these are. So I'm going to leave the 0 years, but then I want to change this 5 or more years to every 1 year. And so I'm just going to make them, these hydrants are painted in cycles of 4 years. You can also set the classification time to fractions of a year. So for example, I can change this to indicate every half year it changes color. And so I'll apply, and then I'll click apply. And you can set those to anything you want. Now you can see on the map that it indicates based on color when these, or what year these were last painted in. And we can see that over here if we look at our chart. 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, etc. Your points colors will automatically change when they get old enough to classify for the next year. So for example, these bright blue points here, when they become 2 years old, will automatically change to be green. I hope you found this helpful.